What's good, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel. We are looking at Myro today, the meme coin, which is still exploding despite the downtrend that we're seeing and the small correction with Bitcoin and the rest of the markets. Myro is still up massively, and over the last 7 days, it is up a huge 2x in price. So we're going to look at Myro. We're also going to look at another meme coin alternative that I think is doing quite well at the moment. So if you are a meme coin lover, this could be one that is quite good for you. So Myro the dog, we already touched on this just yesterday. Basically, the dog named after Solana co-founder Raj Gokhal's dog, Myro, is pumping pretty well actually. So we can see, look, quick update, this speaks volume. Myro has surpassed Bonkcoin in terms of 24-hour DEX trading volume. So a lot of eyes on Myro now. Could Myro be the next bonk coin? That's the big question that we're talking about. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Get yourself down below in the Discord channel and hit that notification bell. So Myro has a $212 million market capital with 94.42% of the supply in circulation, giving a fully diluted market cap of 226 mil. Now, if this is a 4x, we will see that big $1 billion mark, and it will surpass $0.5, which will be seriously really bullish. Myro also recently just partnered with Travala.com, which is a Binance-backed travel agency, which allows people to basically spend their crypto to go on holiday, buy flights, hotels, and all that good stuff. So that's also quite a little life hack right there if you're a crypto guy. Now, why Myro is going to $1 billion market cap? This is according to Dr. DeFi, and he was writing that at 18 million market capital. So it's already up over 10x. But just to go through it really quick, the strong fundamentals, it's got a good narrative, it's fun. You know, it's Solana based as well. Solana's getting massively increased volume in general. And then also the big airdrops that are attached to this as well. Of course, there's a slightly old post, but then you've got the multiple centralized exchange listings, and Binance is still, you know, not happened. And it could still happen at some point. Marketing initiatives, scalability, you know, they've got the utility side of things. They've got Myro merch. They also have Telegram bots as well, helping with like buy orders and things like that. And of course, you know, the CEO of the meme being someone affiliated with something very big in the crypto space. So all of this really matters to me. Now, holders, 26.2k. That's not a huge amount of holders. It's a lot of holders, yes, but some meme coins that go truly parabolic, you know, we're looking at getting this holders level up to 100,000 plus, even 1 million. So it could still just be very early stages for Myro. Moving into the price analysis for Myro, we identified recently on the 1 hour time frame, we did have an oversold position on the 16th of January, 3 days ago for Myro, but since then it's been very bullish, and it's not yet had a chance to come back down to the oversold level on the relative strength index. We did just slightly lose support of this ascending channel, and now we are kind of consolidating in a different descending channel. So we've completely flipped the narrative again. You know, this is why things change so quickly with meme coins. It's really hard to apply any technical analysis to them, and really you should not just trust these words I'm saying, because I don't know if it's going to go up or down truly. But I've still got this level here written in at $0.125 to $0.15 as a dollar cost average region, where I think we could correct down here to 0.13ish or 0.14 and then moon up to 0.33 and beyond. But you know, it might not even happen. It might just be a straight up pump out of this channel to the 0.27 or 0.289 levels. Of course, these are speculations. Looking more long term, if we go to the weekly time frame, well, we can see it is very parabolic. 4 weekly green candles, so just continuations here. Very bullish. And on the daily time frame, of course, we have a huge support at 0.046, which I highly doubt we will correct back down to now. That would be a very large correction of 80% in the markets if we do see that happen. And I just don't think it's that likely that we will see a correction of that magnitude just yet. I think if we get the correction, it's going to be a small one, about 40%, 30% into this zone that I'm talking about right here. If we do see that correction to the downside. Sorry for the work outside, people are building, it's kind of freaking annoying, but hey, we got to deal with it. So yeah, alternative meme coins. If you feel like you've missed out on Myro, don't worry guys, because there's a new meme coin in the space called Sponge V2, which is launching soon. Sponge V1 was actually live in May 2023. It did a 50x. So this is everyone's chance to potentially get back into another massive pump, and it is trading on DEX at the moment. Recently, it just massively pumped as well. We called this in a video a few days ago, guys. So if you did get in on this symmetrical triangle, you'd be up about 30%, which is pretty nice to see. And Sponge is seriously chasing its previous all-time high. For people that bought in the summertime over here when they thought it was dead, it's up 8x already, which is really, really good. And we could potentially see some positive continuation for Sponge. They're going to be listing on bigger and better exchanges. Remember, guys, this isn't financial advice, but if you enjoy your meme coins and your DeFi stuff, there's a link right down below you can check out to take you to the Sponge website, the official safe one. Now, Sponge has $492,000 of liquidity locked in, $39 million market capital. So it's quite similar to Myro when you think about it. And, you know, I think this one could also do some good stuff in the upcoming weeks and months. So check out the Sponge token if you also want to dabble in this one. They've got a staking platform with 300% APY at the moment. 5.3 billion tokens are currently staked in, which is very nice to see as well. And yeah, overall, just a bullish outlook at the moment, a bullish narrative, and everyone is getting excited for it. What's happening in the general crypto news? Bitcoin plunges below $41,000 as sell the Bitcoin ETF news wins the day. Even the SEC warned people not to FOMO into this particular entity. And we can see, look, large inflows in the new spot Bitcoin ETFs have been sizably offset by outflows from not just GBTC, but other global related ETPCs. So this is quite interesting to see as well. It was a bit euphoric, but guys, it's not too late. We still have the halving round the corner, and people will be getting bullish for this in a few weeks or months time. So there'll be the whole FOMO wagon all over again. And we'll probably see the true impact of ETFs and the halving settling around November, December of 2024. Crypto bubbles on the day we have a bearish looking day for fundamental utility tokens, the normal cryptos. But of course, we're still seeing coins like Myro pumping on the day. We're still seeing coins like Sponge pumping on the day. See, meme coins usually have a bit of immunity and resistance against the general trajectory of the market. They kind of do their own thing, like a separate entity sometimes. Not all the time, sometimes. Market's back down to a neutral fear and greed as well, guys. So what's happened is the market's tilted from $1.8 trillion down to $1.63 trillion. It's not a huge problem. It's like a 10 to 20% correction overall. And we were due this correction. We knew we were overbought. We knew we were greedy. So it comes of no surprise. I wouldn't worry too much if you're here for the long term. But if you were just trying to make a quick buck in that like big run that we just had, don't chase the green candles. And what you can do is get into the Discord down below, say hi, and maybe become a patron if you want to, and you know, this will help you make some money in the crypto markets. We have the Crypto Legend package, just 7 remaining, and Crypto Champion, just 3 remaining, providing loads of cool stuff for you guys, like trading signals, spot signals, leverage signals, straight to DEX launches, stealth launches. And just to let you know, I'm going to be letting you guys know about a new token in about maybe 4 days, and the VIPs will hear about it first, and I'm going to put $10,000 into this one. No kidding. Not financial advice, by the way. Nothing in this video is, but I'm going to put a big bag in it because I feel like something could happen. Anyhow, this is a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, slap that subscribe button like a mother, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.